One world, one ride.
So good afternoon. Today the time is 12:54. We are in Gold Coast and we're gonna explore it on our bikes today. So we're going to Surfers Paradise. Hey. अरे वाह, खुल गया automatic. That's nice. Let's see how it goes. I'm so happy that I'm vlogging with my. This is quite convenient to vlog. See, we are at Surfers Paradise and this is some kind of stadium behind me. Yeah, and people usually surf there. It's a nice place to surf, and let me show you. This is really good. A nice place to chill. The best part about see behind me, the Surfers Paradise. The best part about Australia, what I see is people who would like to, what do you call, surf, water sport. I think this is the best country to be in. Yeah, let's check out the Surfers Paradise. Yeah, this is where you can surf, really nice. Yeah, because today is Monday, nobody's surfing, and you can see those motorboats coming. But then that is also nice. And look at this park, really relaxing. You can swim over there you can swim, and you can chill out here. There's a stadium out there. Good. Beautiful skyline. Need to click a photo. And as you can see, people can swim over here. Nice, eh? Nice place to swim. I don't know what is this, but some kind of stone structure. Okay, there is something called Surfers Beach also. So I think we're gonna go to Surfers Beach and then we're gonna go explore more. Right now I'm very hungry. Okay, here we go. So this is the Surfers Paradise, and I was wondering वो कैसा क्या Surfer Paradise हुआ जहाँ पे waves ही नहीं आ रहा है. Now this is really the Surfers Paradise beach. People usually surf here, and I'm gonna take my camera and shoot more. So the best part is sitting here around in the cafe and having. I just ordered for some fish basket. Let's see what it is. बंगाली जाग रहा है समुंदर की तरफ आके. Anyway, let's check it out. First time I'm having this. Nice. Very tasty. So I'll have my lunch and then we'll explore more. Till then. Just finished my lunch. Oh, quite nice. Fish. मजा आता फिश खाने को. बंगाली अंदर का जाग गया. I'm not going to give up fish, but for sure. अंदर का बंगाली जाग गया. Actually, I wanted to get the drone. It would be a lovely drone shot from here, but I don't know whether it is allowed. There are cops. This साला लफड़ा हो जाएगा अगर if it is not allowed. And I don't see anybody flying the drone also. Maybe they need a special permission. I don't know. Every country has its own rule. And I've read that in Australia you can't fly over on public property or in public places, or if there is a public around, a lot of people around, you can't fly the drone. I don't know. So this is the reason I didn't get it, but it would have been a very lovely shot for me. But anyways, ऐसे ही देख लो और क्या. So this is a beautiful, beautiful view of the beach behind me. Nice, eh? Lovely, created by sand. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, check this out. Really, really amazing. It carved out very well. That's Neptune's throne. I think you guys know who is Neptune, yeah? Really, really pretty. So right now we will be going to Currumbin National Park. Currumbin National Park is say some 18 kilometers from here, and 45 is the arrival time. Beach. We were just crossing through that bridge over there, and suddenly we came across this beautiful beach. A small one, but there's a samundar dikh raha hai, you know. So really, really nice. DJ is getting tempted to swim. All the kids over here are swimming, so yeah, I'm gonna tell DJ. Anyways, oh, if DJ wants to swim, there's a wave there, and then all the kiddies are playing here, so that is nice. So it's like this. I seriously don't like to swim. I don't know. I'm not that swimming types. I don't like to swim. It's not that I don't know to swim, but I don't like to swim. So I'm sitting here, chilling out. DJ has gone somewhere. Dubki marne. I'm gonna wait for him. Nice place, and then we're gonna head for that century. I hope it is good. It's only 5 kilometers from here now. Let's see. So DJ had to swim, so we had gone for a swim here, and I was just chilling out in the shade. Like I said, I don't like to swim. And we need to get out of this place. How to get out? हाँ रिजय
हाँ
कैसा रहा?
बढ़िया फर्स्ट क्लास।
एकदम बढ़िया, मजा आया ना? एकदम बढ़िया, सही है।
मेरे को लड़के ने बीच पे से डाइव मारते हुए लगी, मेरे को लग गया कि जगह बहुत अच्छी है।
हाँ, अरे सब पूरा पब्लिक उधर से डाइव मार रही थी। Look at this, look at this, look at it, kangaroo. Okay, the point is the national park is closed. We are a bit late, so they are shut down, so no tickets. Luckily we could see kangaroos here. I think from here we'll go head back to the hotel. Let me see what I can shoot.
Oh, oh, wow, wow, wow.
So unfortunately the timing was 5:30 closing, but we came in late 4:30, but I don't know, they said it is closed, so we are heading back to the hotel. But the birds were fun. At least we could see the kangaroo, baby kangaroos. And exit का ये क्यों बंद है भाई? So in Australia, you can't take a turn like this. You have to go to the roundabout and turn. That was a nice place to visit, but then unfortunately, damn. चलो कोई नहीं. आगे से ना?
हाँ, तो इधर से एंट्री नहीं है, सामने से।
वो आगे यू टर्न मारना पड़ेगा।
हाँ।
वो है ना, वो सर्कल है ना, ये इधर है ना, इधर अच्छा है, इधर ही है डीजे, ज़्यादा दूर जाने का नहीं है। देख इसके अंदर ही जाने के लिए।
देख के
क्या देख के?
अरे उधर लेफ्ट में देख के, किधर देख रहे तो बगैर देखे टर्न मार।
अरे कहाँ राजा, रुक, तेरे पास ऊपर है क्या होटल का कार्ड? तो मेरे को ये खोलना पड़ेगा, एक मिनट रुक। रुक 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 रुक, इधर ही है, इधर ही। अरे माँ क्या ये भी सही है। अरे घुसे ना यार, चल लीजिए घुसा दे। Okay, so I'm back in my hotel and well, it was nice. It is quite scenic if you see, but then still Australia beaches. Anybody who is a surfer, it's a good place to come here. For bikers, I would say if you're a biker and a surfer, then it is the best place. If you are into water sports, I think this is the best country to be in. I'm not into water sports, so I'm not enjoying that much, I would say. But yes, Danilo. Anyways, to all the lovely people who are watching this video, I think you enjoyed it. Stay blessed and love you all. Bye bye.
One world, one ride.
Okay, just come to Woolala Beach and it is raining cats and dogs. Damn.